Boost your Facebook followers, ultimate guide. You guys listen up. Are you ready to take your Facebook game to the next level? Building a massive following isn't some magic trick. It's about hustle, strategy, and giving your audience what they crave. We're diving deep into the nitty-gritty of how to explode your follower count and turn those likes into loyal fans. Whether you're a business hustling for sales, an influencer building your empire, or just want your voice to be heard, this is your playbook. First things first, you gotta make your page pop. Your profile picture is your digital handshake. Make it high-res, instantly recognizable, and on-brand. Next up, your cover photo. This is prime real estate, people. Make it visually stunning and give people a taste of what you're all about. Now, let's talk about your About section. Don't sleep on this. This is where you tell your story. Keep it concise, engaging, and for God's sake, include all your contact info. Finally, a clear call to action. Tell people exactly what you want them to do. Shop now, learn more, join the movement. Make it impossible to ignore. Listen, you can have the best looking page in the world, but if your content sucks, it's game over. You need to create stuff that your audience actually wants to see. Think about it. What are their problems? What makes them laugh? What keeps them up at night? Give them the content they crave and they'll keep coming back for more. Don't be afraid to experiment with different formats. Videos, lives, stories, carousels. Find what works for you and go all in. And for the love of all that is holy, use relevant hashtags. Hashtags are like breadcrumbs leading people straight to your content. Chapter 3. Here's the truth. Facebook isn't a one-way street. It's not about broadcasting your message and hoping for the best. You gotta engage. Respond to comments, answer questions, have actual conversations with your followers, make them feel seen and heard. Run polls, ask for their opinions, get them talking to each other. Remember, community is everything. The more engaged your audience is, the more Facebook will reward you with reach. Chapter 4. Listen, organic reach is great, but sometimes you gotta spend money to make money. Facebook ads are a powerful tool to get your content in front of the right people. We're talking laser-focused targeting based on demographics, interests, even behaviors. Experiment with different ad formats, track your results, and see what resonates with your audience. Remember, it's all about testing and optimizing. Don't be afraid to put some skin in the game and watch your reach skyrocket. Chapter 5. Knowledge is power, my friends, and Facebook Insights is your treasure chest of data. This is where you go to see what's working and what's not. Track your reach, engagement, post performance, and audience demographics. See what content is resonating, what time your audience is most active, and which demographics are engaging the most. Use this information to refine your strategy, create even better content, and target your ads like a sniper. Data is your friend, so use it wisely. Outro, there you have it, folks. The blueprint for building a Facebook empire. Remember, it's all about providing value, engaging with your audience, and staying ahead of the game. Don't be afraid to experiment, try new things, and most importantly, be consistent. The more you put in, the more you'll get out. Now go out there and make some noise. By implementing these strategies, you can significantly increase your Facebook followers and build a thriving online community. Stay consistent. Promote your page on other platforms, and use Facebook Live to connect with your audience in real time. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Happy growing!